Oh, it's like a snail.
Yeah, I can look at the cockroach.
The big snail.
It
There's
looks
lots of snails.
it looks like cockroaches. I think it's a big snail.
I don't know what they actually are.
Look at it. Is that a tarantula?
Can you see it in the corner? What would you do if that was on your bed? What would you do if you saw one of these in your bed? You'd scream, would you?
Okay, it could be anything in here now. Oh my God, look at this big snake. Come on, have a look. Oh my God, he's a massive snake. Do you see it, Benny? On the floor, asleep. Do you see the snake?
Do you see the
Ooh. And that, look, there's a snake. Oh my God, go close. Oh, see the turcos. Oh, really big fishes. Yeah. Oh, look, there's turtles swimming. Look, one turtle. Whoa. What? Oh, look, a lemon tree. Where's the lemons?
Ooh, look at that. Really spicy that is.
Oh, look at this big window here. Oh, look what there was in the trees. Up there, hanging in the trees. What type of tree is that? It's like pale. What is it? Oh, it's a type of plant that... Oh, it's one of like these plant plants of like a fly trapper. Oh. Oh, you can see that. Oh, look at here, love. Look at these plants. It's like in a cage. It's like, keep away from me.
Poisonous, that's all.
Oh, those are poisonous. That's why they're in that.
Is that insect one or would it
Keep away from them. Oh, look at these ones. These must be poisonous too. What are they?
They're warning foxes.
Look at what they look like. Chocolate. Keep away from that. Look, what's in here? There's another lizard in there. Can you see it? right by there. It's got like a weird back. Did we look in this one?
No, there's a snake.
Oh, there's a snake in this one, Demi. Can you see the snake? I can't. It might be away asleep.
You can see the snake.
Is it in there? Ooh. There's dinosaurs. They're not dinosaurs, they're eating plants. Oh, look, another poisonous. More poisonous. Oh, that's poison as well. Daddy, are they dinosaurs? That's not dinosaurs, that's a plant.
This is the most poisonous plant in the world.
Whoa, most poisonous.
According to the Guinness Book of World Records.
Wow. The most poisonous plant in the world. Whoa, that's really poison, that is.
It's got ricin in it though.
Oh, that's freaking bad. The most poisonous plant in the world. The most poisonous plant in the world. Got rice in there. Oh, look at him dancing. Do you see the parrot dancing, Tim? Hello. You say hello.
It is dancing.
Oh, hello. Oh, a dancing parrot. Can he talk? Can he talk?
Don't think you think Timmy's a milk, he's just got a red backpack.
I hope not. He's laughed at you, Tom. Is he dancing? Is he dancing? Wow. He's proper dancing, yeah. Whoa, dancing parrot. A cup of tea. He's doing a dance. Timmy, is he doing a dance? Whoa, look at these plants. Proper rain. Whoa. Oh, it's another. You having fun, Demi? Yeah, it's a bit like that. They got all poisonous plants and that way.
In the water, that.
There's an alligator, and you can go really close to the alligator. Crocodiles here, Demi. It's like it's like the Jumanji rainforest. It's like all the stuff. It's poisonous plants, monkeys. Yeah, anything that wants to eat you.
Look at those fishies again.
The big fishies. Whoa.
We saw them earlier.
Yeah. Whoa. Papa, oh, look how big it goes up there. Oh, look at those fishies. Oh, look, we can take the turquoise all the way over there. Like a ring. What's that? A waterfall. Oh, Timmy thinks it's a stupid train. What's this over here? Oh, in the cave, in the cave. It's scary. What's in the cave? A scorpion. Oh my God, scorpion. A scorpion in there. Can't see anything though. Come on, Demi. Oh, warning, crocs about. What's that say? What's that say? Warning, crocs about. Yeah. Let's see if you can see one. Oh look. Does it mean they can get over this side as well, the crocodile? Well, where's the crocodile then? Did you see it over here when we were up above?
Let's go forward. It's the river. Let's go forward.
Demi, please don't push. Oh, it might not be in the water. it shows a crocodile up there as well, like a sign of a crocodile.
You see it, Tim?
Yeah.
See the crocodile?
Crocodile.
Oh, crocodile. But this is a baby one. There'll be a bigger one somewhere else.
No, they probably don't have the big ones here.
Crocodile. Look at the crocodile. Is it scary, Demi?
No.
Oh. Can Timmy say crocodile?
Crocodile.
Yay.
You see it, Tim?
No, look at it. It's like a type of leopard in
You
there.
see it?
What's that? What is it, love?
Asian water monitor.
Oh, my hair. He's pulled my hair, love. Please.
No, it's a lizard.
Look his tongue coming out.
A
A lizard. Look. Did you see his tongue poking out?
Do
you see his...
licking his lips?
Oh. Timmy's licking his lips to get a bit as well, isn't he? Look at him. Oh, look, he's copying. Timmy liking him?
Yeah, he wants to eat me.
Here's the next one.
Wow. Right to you.
Worm.
It's like a water creature.
It's like a fish lizard,
Whoa.
Is it a worm?
Can you see it, Tim?
Is it a massive worm?
Timmy, can you see it? What is it?
It looks like
Wonder.
quick from the picture.
Timmy, can you see salamander?
Thomas.
Oh, it's not a Thomas. It's a salamander. Can you see it?
Pirate.
It's not a pirate. It's a salamander. Look at that snake skin.
I know it is.
Yeah, that's what the skin comes off, and then they grow more so they can get bigger.
Is this going to be a snake on the table?
It's a 20. Whoa. That's that poison, the poison fruit. What is it?
It's a chipmunk.
Oh, chickmunk?
See it, Tim?
Do you see a chickmunk? Is that a chickmunk, Demi?
It has an S on the end, so it might be something
Oh. Do you hear that, Tom? Clever Demi? It has an S on the end, so it could be more than one.
What?
It has an S on the end, so it could be more than one. Whoa, look at that. Look at these cockroaches. Whee. And they yucky cockroaches.
Is that one eating another one?
No, I think they're trying to eat each other, do you think? Or that's their food. That's what they eat.
So why?
Cockroaches, I think, will just eat about anything. They're
I think
really,
they do eat anything, yeah.
yeah.
Do they eat
They like to
hands?
be in really dirty places as well.
Look, they got little tiny heads under
So
their
have you got-
shells.
Wow.
Mm.
Do they like being...
Oh my god, look at the back.
do they
There's
like being in
hundreds.
toilets?
Oh, yeah.
There's
geez.
hundreds. I thought there was a
There's a
couple.
baby one left.
Oh, look,
under
there's a
the
tiny, yeah, there's a baby one
And
under
there's
the
a
leaf.
massive one just next to it.
Oh, look how big that one is.
Where's the baby one?
Oh.
See it? Just by the leaf?
Whoa.
And then look to the side of it, there's a huge one.
The baby one looks a bit adorable.
Adorable.
You don't like the cockroaches. Why are they gross? They're really gross, aren't they? Oh, look, a plate, look. They're poisonous ones, aren't they? The ones with the
I was expecting to see a rhino.
Yeah, what's in this
I
one?
was expecting to see a rhino, Daddy.
A rhino. You silly.
Mm.
In the back. Can you see him?
Where?
Oh.
There's a green one and there's a couple
Can you
of
see him right at the
There's
back?
a green one and a brown one.
Oh, what can I eat here? Mm. You think, oh, I can eat that hand. Mm-hmm.
It's like saying hi or something.
Don't poke the grass.
Orange snake.
Is it an orange snake, Tim? Well done. Wow.
There's a snake.
Is a snake. Oh, look how long it.
Where's the
Yeah,
snake?
look how long it goes around, love, and it's still going. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. Oh, it's still going. How long is it? Oh, it's hiding away now, thinking I'm going to eat you. Do you like the snake, Demi?
That's how long it is.
Whoa, yeah. Oh, look.
And
It's right there, yeah.
the end is like small.
Yeah.
Look at his face. It's a lizard.
It's a lizard. Where's it?
Yeah, look for its finger there. Go.
Oh, yeah, it's missing a finger.